State Flight 001 course. Thank you, sir.
Wait! Nice, yo. Wait! The purpose of campfire is not just to go and gather firewood and start putting spirits and spark. When you are running a course or a camp, you know you have been passing through some stress, you have been inside the cold and others. It's just a way to rewarm you, to make you happy in the last night of the course, so you can go and sleep quietly and have a good rest. On that note, we have a visitor here. I'm sure you know your instructor.
Yeah.
Yes. Clap for him.
Hello, come close to this
Come
side.
close.
Come close, everybody.
Come close to this side.
Just run.
Round the fire like this. End the line here. Stop there. Okay. Don't join them there. Come back. Come back like this, man.
Fire is going to.